Welcome back to the deep dive. We're here to really get into the source material you share with us and pull out what really matters.
Yeah, and today, looking at the research and articles provided, we're tackling something you probably encounter all the time but maybe don't think much about. Industrial floor scrubber machines.
Exactly. Hidden in plain sight, right?
Pretty much. Our goal here is to unpack this technology, understand why it's so crucial for efficiency, for safety, and honestly, just the look and feel of large spaces like warehouses or big retail stores.
It's hard to even imagine cleaning, say, an entire airport terminal floor or a giant distribution hub with just mops.
Oh, forget it. It'd be
You'd
impossible.
never get it truly clean. It wouldn't be safe. The time involved, it just wouldn't work.
Yeah.
And that's really the core problem these machines solve.
That's spot on. The material shows these are basically heavy-duty automated tools designed for the tough stuff. Big areas, lots of foot traffic, grease, industrial grime.
And they do it all at once, right? The scrubbing, cleaning, drying.
Yes, the single-pass thing is key. They scrub, wash, and vacuum the floor dry almost immediately. They've got, powerful brushes, large water tanks, strong vacuum systems built for serious use.
So much better than just sloshing dirty water around.
Yeah.
And the floor's ready to use right away.
That's a huge point. And the sources kind of break down the main types, basically fitting the machine to the job size and layout.
Makes sense. You need different tools for different scales. So what's the first main category?
Okay, so first you have walk-behind scrubbers. These are pretty versatile, good for medium to maybe larger places that still have obstacles.
Like hallways in a school.
Mm,
Or maybe hospital corridors.
exactly. Or warehouse aisles. You guide it from behind. They pack a punch but are still maneuverable.
Got it. So good for decent-sized areas, but not like massive open spaces.
Right. For those really huge, wide-open areas,
Yeah.
you step up to the ride-on-floor scrubber.
The ones you actually sit on and drive.
Yep, exactly. Think airports, giant shopping malls, huge factories, convention centers. These things are built for maximum coverage. They have enormous tanks, so they run longer. Really high brush pressure for tough dirt. And the cleaning paths are incredibly wide. The sources mention up to 120 centimeters, sometimes even more. It's a different scale altogether.
Wow. Okay, that's serious cleaning power. And there's one more type, the newest kind.
The robotic floor scrubbers. Fully autonomous. They use sensors, smart navigation. They just go and clean by themselves.
Automation reaching even floor cleaning.
Yeah, the material points to their use in like 247 operations, big labor savings, plus they can track cleaning data, which is interesting. You see them where automation is really pushed, like advanced logistics centers.
Fascinating. So beyond just the type, walk behind, ride on, robotic, what makes a specific machine good? What features matter?
Well, high-capacity tanks are definitely key. Less time stopping to refill or empty.
Right? Keeps things moving.
And adjustable brush pressure is important too, so you can dial it in for different floor types. Plus, those squeegees and the vacuum system need to be really efficient.
Why is that so critical?
Because that's what leaves the floor clean and dry straight away. That immediate drying is huge for safety. Oh, and they just need to be built tough, durable. These are demanding environments.
That immediate drying, yeah, I can see how that prevents slips. Big safety win. The efficiency stats mentioned were pretty wild, too. Something like 10 times faster than doing it by hand.
Absolutely. Covering maybe 5,000 square meters in an hour, that speed directly cuts down labor costs and means less disruption to whatever's happening in that space.
Huge savings potential there.
Definitely. And like you said, the safety aspect, getting rid of slippery stuff, is massive for preventing accidents. So even though they cost a bit up front, the sources suggest they really pay off long-term through lower labor, less water and chemical use, maybe even protecting the floor itself.
And don't forget just how it looks. A constantly clean floor, whether it's a shop or a factory, it just signals professionalism, doesn't it?
For sure. These machines keep those big areas looking consistently good. The sources mention manufacturing, warehouses, retail, healthcare, transport. They all rely heavily on them.
So choosing the right one really comes down to knowing your own space, right?
Right.
The floor type, the size, the layout, how often you clean.
Mm-hmm.
Budget, obviously.
Exactly. And the materials also noted that sometimes renting or hiring a machine makes sense. Avoids the big initial cost, often includes maintenance too.
Good point. And maintenance itself is crucial, according to the sources.
Oh, absolutely non-negotiable. Simple things, rinsing tanks, cleaning brushes after you use it, getting regular servicing done. It keeps them running well and makes them last much longer.
So yeah, when you really break it down like this, based on what we read, these aren't just fancy mops.
Not at all. They're operational assets, really. They directly impact safety, efficiency, the whole bottom line by achieving a clean that's just, well, impossible otherwise at that scale.
So the big takeaway seems to be, pick the right machine for your job, walk behind, ride on, maybe even robotic, and then really commit to looking after it. That's how you unlock the big benefits like that incredible speed, up to 10 times faster, and the long-run cost savings.
Definitely. So next time you're walking through a gleaming airport or a huge mall or maybe visiting someone in a hospital, just, notice how clean the floors are.
Yeah.
Chances are one of these machines has been hard at work, probably unseen, keeping it safe and clean for you.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? How much does the cleanliness, the overall feel of a big public or industrial space actually reflect the investment they've made in this specific technology?
Mhm.
Makes you wonder what other sort of hidden tech shapes the places we go every day.